Hello and welcome back to my channel. Today we are going to see yet another important video for the benefits of physically challenged. Okay, so most of you know that there is a 50% discount on own damage premium for the vehicles owned by physically challenged people. Okay, either it's a car or a two-wheeler. Okay, in this video we are going to see all those information in the detail. Okay, let's jump into the video. So as the title says, it's central government insurance offering 50% on OD discount. So OD is nothing but it's a own damage discount for vehicles owned by. Okay, if you see it's owned by physically challenged people. Okay, so as of now, if you see, there are four government insurance companies that is giving this benefit to physically challenged. Okay, so this is published in the government's website here. If you go there, so in this government's website, you can see New India Assurance, United India Insurance, Oriental. I think you might have heard about these companies. Okay, National. So mostly, I think most of them are aware of United India and the Oriental, and other two are like uh, new, might be new to many people here. Okay, so these are the insurance provided by central government, which provides 50% discount on a own damage premium. Okay, so in order to understand various other benefits provided when you buy a car or a two-wheeler, these are the four videos I have created here. It's in my channel under the playlist called physically challenged. So I can share this link in the description. You can go through all the other videos to understand the details. Okay, so before going to video, so as I said, when you buy, okay, so this is not applicable for any private company. So private insurance company. Okay, I need to mention is that insurance company. Okay, so mostly, actually, as per IRDA guidelines, this benefit should be also provided by the private insurance, but for some reasons they are not providing this because what they claim is they're already providing you discount, heavy discount on insurance premiums, and why do they need to give additional benefit there? So if you go and talk to a private insurance company, they'll say, okay, we are going to reduce all this, so we will give you a better deal. So sometimes when you compare this with one of this insurance issued by one of these four insurance companies, some private companies, insurance companies even give you a lesser, a decent discount. Okay, so either you can choose to go to this private insurance, you can calculate the premium, and whichever is better, you can go there. Okay, so 50% discount is only for own damage premium. So it's already, as I said, it's OD premium. So there are two components of any insurance. One is own damage, and other one is a third party. Okay, so third party, I know there's no discount, but only for own damage. Okay, because the premium for own damage is much lesser than the third party. Okay, so as I said, you can go and check in the policy bazaar. If you're getting a better deal, then you can go for a private insurance. If you're not, if you still see, as I said, it's better for a car insurance. When you're taking a car insurance, you'll get a better deal when you go with one of these four insurance companies. But if you're if you're applying this for a two-wheeler, then I think it's very, negligible amount, I would say. Okay. So for that, better you can go for a policy bazaar. You can compare various policies and then choose the best. And then this is as per IRDA guidelines GR33. So if you, I think I kept this open here. Uh, yeah, so this is the PDF. So in IRDA, so this is the publication from the one of the authorities from India Motor Tariff, where they have like various regulations account various types of insurances. One is, so they have listed what are the regulations for vehicles owned by physically challenged. Okay, so this concession is only actually designed for if you are modifying, if it's a vehicle is modified, if the four-wheeler or two-wheeler is modified, then you are eligible for 50% discount. It was like till 2020 or something. Okay, so after that they accepted this for all the vehicles owned by, so without even needing to modify. If the owner is a physically handicapped, if he's having all the certificates, then also they have to provide this 50% discount. Okay, so there's a government order here. So if I can show, so this is the central government order released by Ministry of Road, claiming that if the vehicle is owned by Divyanjan, then also you have to pass on this benefits. Okay, in case the insurance is not giving you any benefit, stating that your vehicle is not modified, yeah, somebody is capable to drive normal vehicle or automatic vehicle, they have to, the insurance company has to give you 50%. So you need to show this. So in case you don't get this clearly, you can send me a request through the comment section. I'll share this copy, PDF copy with you. Okay, so this is the government's circular. Okay, so this is one part about that. Okay, so you go to the details here. So as per, so I have this link also, I can share it in the comment section. Okay. So if you don't get this contact, right? So though I tried to give you all the contact information, but it's very easy to get this contact from the dealer. So you need to mention one of these four insurance and then ask them the agent's contact. Then you can connect with the agent, and then agent has contacts with the sub offices or nearby office of these one of these insurance companies, or they can also reach to the zonal or regional office to get any clarifications. Okay. So what happens if mostly like people might have purchased a new vehicle or they might have an old vehicle. By the time they see this video, they realize that, okay, I missed that 50% own damage discount. What should I do? Now you can apply for refund anyways. Okay, so you need to approach the insurance company again and say that I am eligible as per IRDA guidelines. I am eligible for 50% own damage discount. So please, update this policy and refund me whatever the 50% discount. Okay, you can apply that and they get acknowledgement from them. You need to share your bank details. They will, refund that amount. So, and then when you're buying a new vehicle, second hand vehicle also, you need to make sure that, so this is also, as I said, this 50% is applicable not only for new, even for used. So, you have bought a vehicle, say in 2019, and you never knew about 50% discount. Now also, when you are going to renew your premium, then you can keep this in mind and then choose the insurance provider who's giving you that discount. Okay. And for the second-hand vehicle, if you are buying a new second-hand car from someone, some dealer or someone, then also you make sure that you change the ownership type to Divyanjan. There's an option when they register the vehicle in the Vahan's site. So there's an option to, so this is about ownership type and ownership category as Divyanjan. Okay, so there are two ways. Like one is owner information where you see this ownership type. Okay, and then there is a ownership category when you say ownership identification details. Okay. So these two areas you need to make sure that you have filled this, and then this will help you to get this discount. Okay. And then vehicles without modification also, as I said, you need to show this government order from MORTH. This was released in 13 November 2020 to all insurance agencies and all the government authorities to provide this discount to all. Okay. And then these are the so what are the proof you need, right? So the proof required is generally UDID card or your local government disability ID proof. So generally UDID card will be very smoother. So if you have not applied, please go and apply this card as soon as possible to get it. So I have created one video how to apply this card here. Okay, so you can see one of my videos here, and then you can apply it, or there are other instructions available online. Okay, and then the contact details here. So there are four insurance companies I have told you. Like even though I have mentioned the email IDs, and 90% these days, none of them are seeing the email, only calls or WhatsApp, right? So you can call this toll-free number, or you can go to this website and then see some contact details. Try to figure out any contact details. If you get, you can go and connect with them to say that okay, you need a insurance. So here if you see, I'm in the national insurance page where we have this contact details option here. And we have like regional office, branch office, head office. If you search by the city name or something, it will show their contact details. And then there are also WhatsApp, like mobile numbers here. You can directly contact them and then say that, okay, this is my problem. I want to, you know, get get a new insurance or either update existing insurance. Okay, so this is for New India Insurance. So this is for United India. So you have this contact us. So I can share this link. So once you go to the United India contact us, you can select your state and then you can select your district here. So based on that, you will be populated with all these contact details here. So few of the places you're lucky to get this mobile number, you can contact them directly. Or if you find anything, so anyway, there's the address, you can directly visit the branch and get it clarified. Okay. Once first time you're done with this, every time whenever you renew your policy, it's by default. Okay. And then you can also complain in case any problem of okay, so there are like grievance options in see here you have this grievance option here. You can complain, online complaint, post online complaint in respective insurance company's website. Okay, here also we have a lot of things here. You need to log in with your mobile number for the United. Then National New India Assurance, again the contact information. You need to just select your city name. If I'm putting Chennai, so it will populate all the contact details of Chennai here. And then again, this is contact details. So here you can incorporate all officers, contact details is here. You can expand one of them and see the contact details. Okay. So this is about the contact details here. And then about updating the vehicle ownership type, whether you buy a new vehicle or a second-hand vehicle, make sure that this both are updated so that you see the so once this is updated, the only possibility where you can see by yourself, the RTO can access all this information, but as a owner of the vehicle, you cannot see whether your ownership type is Divyanjan or not. The only possibility is you need to log into this exempted fast tag. So wherever you might have already applied for a free fast tag, where you can log in and see here when you see this vehicle detail, right? So here when you click the uh, validate option. So here I have entered the vehicle detail. I said validate. Here it shows ownership type as Divyanjan. So meaning you are eligible for 50% discount. Okay. So above all, okay. So you have done everything. Okay. Now you are there's a problem where you are not able to get support from anyone. Then you need to go to this compliance portal, public grievance portal, where you can go and register a complaint. Here there are correct options that needs to be selected. So I'm logging in here to show you how to lodge a public grievance. Okay, so you need to log in here with if you don't have a login, you can create one. You created one. So I have already a login. I have, I post a lot of complaints here. So once you log in, so it's very slow now. I think by the time it's loading, so here we have seen this, it's showing error. So the page time of, okay, so instead of wasting time, I have mentioned what you need to do here. So once you log into the public grievance portal, select financial service insurance division as the ministry. Okay, and then say that deficiency in customer service. So you didn't get a proper support, right? So that's a deficiency. And again, this is an harassment because you have followed all the policy, and then as per the policy, you are not getting the responses. Then you can file, and then insurance company, you need to mention the insurance company name and enter the branch name, and then policy. If you have already a policy, mention the policy number, or if you don't have, then leave it blank, and then in the remarks section, you have to write whatever concern you have, okay, and then submit it. So it reaches to the higher authority, and then they will call you and try to fix this problem. Okay. So I think this is it about about 50% own damage discount for vehicles owned by physically handicapped. Okay. In case you have any doubt, feel free to post your doubts in the comment section. I'll be happy to help you. So I'll see you soon in a new video. Bye.